Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please share, like, and subscribe for more videos of uh, Chorokyu and other 164 scale cars and bigger size of cars, guys. Anyway, this one is not Chorokyu, guys, but I have a Chorokyu of this one. Is this one, guys. But I'm not reviewing Chorokyus today. Instead, uh, I will review this big truck that in my collection. It's a, what they call this? It's made by DAIYA. D-A-I-Y-A. DAIYA? DAIYA? I don't know how to pronounce it, guys. But it's made in Japan. Okay. This truck is made in early 90s, guys. So this one is 20-year-old na. 20 years old now. But in very good condition still, guys. It's a Isuzu truck. V330, guys. And it's a Japan mail delivery truck, guys. It has Bridgestone radial tires, as you can see, guys. And you can open the doors with detailed. Of course, it's a right-hand drive, guys, because it's Japan use. So this toy is this one is, it has what they call this, head canopy, or you can call it truck cab. It's a plastic one, guys. This is a plastic but detailed Isuzu truck, guys. So but this one, guys, it's a tin can, guys, in very good condition. It will pass a brand new one. At the rear, guys, it has two doors, can be open, guys, as you can see, but the doors are plastic, guys. This one is the tin. So this one is a rare one for me. Is in very good condition. This is the lock of the rear doors, guys. Again, guys, no damage, only this one dent, and this one. Again, guys, this is a Isuzu V330, guys. It's a V10 made by DAIYA. DAIYA toys, made in Japan, guys. Is in very good condition. See? So this one is in my collection. Some other Isuzu truck, guys, I will share it with you in other videos. I am collecting also Isuzu truck, guys, but the bigger one, not the Tomica and Matchbox. And then I don't know what scale is this, guys, but it's bigger in detailed, guys. I have also Isuzu truck, guys. It's a kids ride on car, guys. It's huge, it's big for my son. It's imported and came in Japan also. It's licensed Isuzu, guys, just like this one. Again, guys, this is a Isuzu V30 truck, Japan mail delivery truck, in very good condition, made by DAIYA made in Japan. So it's a 20-year-old truck, guys, but in very good condition. That's it, guys. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.